Welcome to u-academyIndia by Avinash. In this video, we will learn about design of reinforced cement concrete. First of all, we know that what is design of RCC. What is design of RCC? Design. First, we know design. What is design? Design means to plan, to make drawing for appearance, or to show the structure which is not yet constructed. So the structure which is not built, for that we have to plan, we have to make drawing, and that is called design. And second one is reinforced cement concrete, means make it stronger. According to Oxford Dictionary, reinforced cement concrete, which is a composite material made from concrete and steel. Reinforcement, as we know that the concrete is weak in tension and strong in compression zone. Therefore, reinforcement is added in concrete to improve its tensile strength. In civil engineering field, concrete is made by mixing of cement, fine aggregate means sand, coarse aggregate, admixture, and water, etc., and has different grades of concrete based on strength, such as M25, M20, M15, etc. And what is steel, and why we have to provide steel in concrete? When steel is provided in cement concrete, it becomes RCC concrete. The most popular reinforcement is steel, but in ancient times bamboo is also used as reinforcement materials. This is due to the fact that steel has high tensile strength and bond strength compared to others, and also provides a strong concrete. Steel has high modulus of elasticity, so that it can resist much more high tensile force for the same amount of extension compared to concrete. Reinforcement material as a bamboo provide as a reinforcement material in ancient time, because placing bamboo is placed in concrete, but it is very difficult to placing in concrete and as compared to steel. But mostly people used steel as a reinforcement material. So we know that steel is reinforcement material. So steel is provided in cement concrete, it become RCC concrete. Thank you.